Key West, Florida, a vibrant hotspot known for its stunning beaches and bustling beach bars. But sometimes paradise can take a turn when things get out of hand. What started as a typical night at a local beach bar quickly spiraled into a tense situation involving an angry group of patrons, a frustrated bar staff, and an officer just trying to do his job.
So which one are you want trespassing?
That's one over there.
Which one?
No, this is the third warning. Yeah. Because
The one with the mustache?
Yeah. Because what he did, I saw from the corner, he was lifting and going like that. No, we told you to 3 times, stop putting people in the air. You were just sitting there. And I saw that.
It all began when a group of women was asked to leave the establishment after violating the bar's rules. While most patrons would quietly comply, one woman in particular wasn't having it. She refused to leave, openly challenging the authority of the bartender, and eventually, the police officer who was called for assistance.
Hey, so let's get with the whoever is serving that guy. Make sure that he pays, so that way we can get him out. Hey, buddy, I'm Officer Lopez. Do you have a tab here?
No, I don't.
Okay, all right. So they already talked to you about this, so all you have to do is just leave, don't come back. If you come back and be arrested.
Yeah, no, I'm not coming back, but I was not there. Whatever, it's fine.
It's moving the water. He was falling in his head. It's not that one you did. It's because of liability part.
What did I do? I just don't need to. Apparently so.
I know there were 2 girls on 2 of their shoulders earlier too. Yeah. First time. And the girl got on top of her shoulder. And someone just stuck their hand above their shoulder. That's 3 times. It's over.
Do we get somebody? Because
I already told her. I don't know where she went.
okay.
She's over there.
Just to make sure, because if somebody if they all start leaving, then somebody got it.
Above the shoulders. Yeah.
That's it?
3 times. 3 times. It's a liability. Who's under the tab, whoever name it is, it's got to be paid. So you pay your tab.
So just one person is the one that we have to get out.
Yeah, but if they're all leaving.
Okay.
They're all getting.
They're all what?
So somebody's working on the tab, right?
Yeah. Give that to whoever.
Do you have this table?
No, they're gone. I just gave her the tab.
Okay.
As the officer approached, the woman's defiance grew stronger. "You can't arrest me," she shouted, clearly frustrated and confused by the situation. But the officer, calm and collected, explained that her refusal to leave was a violation of the bar's rules, a charge that could result in arrest for trespassing. The officer gave her a simple choice: leave now or face arrest. "You have 2 minutes," he said. "If you don't leave, you'll be arrested for trespassing." But as the clock ticked down, the woman continued to argue, telling the officer that she didn't deserve to be in this situation, that it was all a mistake.
You're dumb, actually. That's the truth, though. I mean, don't you want more money? Money, right? Liquor?
Your money is not as valuable as liability.
Oh, I'm just making observations. I'm pretty smart, actually. I mean, you guys they thought it was dumb.
You have 2 minutes. Listen, you have 2 minutes to get ready, and if you're not done, I'm taking you to jail
Look
for
at his
trespassing.
big dog.
So you have 2 minutes.
That's
Okay, I don't care either.
That's ridiculous. Funny.
Oh,
You can't take time hack, let's go. 2 minutes. Time hack. I love it. I love the time hack. It's so cute. Hey, don't say that. She doesn't mean that, but you guys know that we don't actually, we have been here for fun, right? Like,
Ma'am, I'm gonna say this real quick. Just stop talking. I'm saying this in the nicest way possible because you just talk
2 minutes passed and the officer's patience ran out. He moved to handcuff her, but it wasn't going to be that easy. The woman began to resist, refusing to follow instructions. "I've done this before," she said, trying to explain, but the officer wasn't having it. Now, with emotions running high, the woman's friends attempted to intervene, even pleading for the officer to let her go. But the situation had already escalated. The officer warned her that by resisting, she was making things worse, and that she could be facing even more charges.
Oh, really? Oh, he really can. What makes you think he ain't gonna do it?
Don't listen to her. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We do. I'm sorry. We do. My best friend's the police. Okay, we're all military. Okay, like we respect, we love. Okay.
It doesn't show, honestly. It doesn't show. I don't owe you anything and you don't owe me anything. So all I ask is just be a decent human being. Right now you're not. But I think I have been very polite and
well, that's why we're kind of like, oh, we were doing like little. I said nothing.
As the officer prepared to arrest her, her defiance didn't waver. She kept apologizing, expressing how sorry she was, but it was too late. The officer's job was clear: get her under control and make the arrest. She was now under arrest for trespassing, and nothing was going to change that.
What? What am I going to jail for? Let me go. I have my f***ing American right. What am I going to jail for? What am I going to jail for? No. Stop. 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 What am I going to jail for?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
for the love of God, stop. I don't know. Stop. Trespassing.
Oh, that was body camera? Get up.
Trespassing for what? What am I trespassing?
Come on, let's go.
I don't know.
Let's go.
Great. Wonderful.
7, you have 1, 10, 15.
What am I trespassing for?
I gave you 2 minutes to get your stuff and leave, but you wouldn't. All right? You said that you didn't care getting arrested, so here we are.
I didn't do anything, sir. I didn't do anything.
Up against the car.
Let me just call my...
Up against the car. Place your feet apart.
I've done this before. Okay. My parents are bossing me.
70, come on, can I have another unit?
I've done this before, sir. I swear I didn't do anything.
Don't move.
I'm not a person.
Don't move.
I'm not the person you want to arrest, sir.
Why is that?
One wrong slang that I f***ing said. One wrong word. One wrong word. That's what I fucking...
There's a problem when another person is... Hold on. Stop talking. When there's another guy trying to help you, he's trying to take you away out of the problem. And now you are telling him to step away, which that's why I stepped in. Okay? So now you are about to start a fight with another guy because he's trying to help you. Okay? And I gave you instructions to put your hands behind your back. You said no.
I will listen. Please.
We are beyond that line right now. We are. I give you a chance. Sorry. Do you have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? Anything sharp? Anything illegal that I should know?
I don't.
You don't?
Please. Please don't.
Step back.
Understood.
Do you have any property here that I need to grab?
I can't do anything.
I'm asking you a question.
I'll go home.
Is there any property that I need to collect for you
I'll go home.
in the property? What do you have?
Nothing.
Nothing,
I'll
okay.
go home.
All right, let's go this way.
Please.
Right here, up against the car.
I would be the one.
Up against the car.
I would be the one. Please. Don't take me to jail. Please. 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 All I said was one word.
Get in.
Look at me, please.
Get in. Watch your head.
The woman was taken into custody, handcuffed, and placed in the patrol car. Her friends were left behind, bewildered and frustrated. One of them tried to make sense of the situation, but the officer was firm. She's being arrested for trespassing. If you want more information, talk to the arresting officer. Once inside the car, the woman, visibly upset, continued to apologize. I didn't deserve this, she said. I just yelled at some guy, that's all. It was clear she was in disbelief, but the law had been broken and there were consequences.
Now, put your legs inside. Put your legs inside.
I don't deserve to fucking be here, dude. Fuck. Please. Please.
She's drunk and she's an idiot, and she shouldn't have done that. I was closing out our tab. I should have grabbed her and brought her out. I failed her.
Listen, I think you did the right thing trying to help, but then it was becoming either letting her fight you or
Let me do
not
this.
doing
Please.
anything.
Please.
If we can help any, I tried to
Please.
Do you have her wallet or phone?
We're working on that.
Okay.
Sir, is there any way
There's nothing you can do for her. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I need your ID.
mine?
Yes.
Can I ask why?
Because she is getting arrested for trespassing. I had to intervene because she was about to get into a fight with you. Because, again, you did nothing wrong. You were trying to help her. You did the right thing. You are involved in this crime, so I need your identification so I can document that you were there. Obviously, that's going to be on camera, but I need it for my report.
Sir, I love that woman. Is there any way you can just let her go to me and she will be out of here and
I
never
did my
come back?
best. I did. You did too, but here we are now.
Please. Sir, please. I'm so sorry that I got fucking caught up in this stupid fucking shit. I'm so sorry. Fuck my life. Oh my god. Bismillah min ash-shaytanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ar-rahmanir-rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Sir, can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
Second.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I swear I'm the sweetest soul, dude. I'm the fucking sweetest soul. Oh, God. Fuck me. Fuck my life. Like,
How do you spell your first name?
M-A. Can I? I'm sorry.
What is it? M-A?
M-A-K-A. Am I going to jail, sir?
Yes, M-A.
M-A-K-A. Can I talk to my boyfriend before I go?
As soon as we get this done.
M-A-K.
Please, step back. I'm not done here. Step back. I'm done. I'm busy. Thank you.
I'm going to jail. I didn't deserve this stupid shit, dude.
I have no clue what happened.
I don't know either. Apparently I yelled at some guy and I got
What's your
arrested.
step?
Love you so much. I did nothing. I have no shoes. Can you give me shoes?
Okay, I'll get them.
I had shoes.
Yeah, right there,
I
right there.
had shoes.
They're right there.
Okay.
Sir, is
Can
there
I choke
anything
myself
can
with
Give me
these?
1 second. Let me put them back there.
I did nothing, sir. I yelled at a guy. That's all I did. I'm so sorry that I yelled at a fucking guy. I'm so sorry. I'm so fucking sorry. I'm getting another fucking charge on my record. So
Use my reach.
It's so good. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'll go talk to your boyfriend, but at this point,
I'm so
I don't
sorry.
think there's much I can do.
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Yeah, like I told her, I have no clue what happened. Like that officer's the one doing the arrest. I don't know if they're pressing charges or he's pressing charges. You're gonna have to talk to the establishment or that officer right there. I'm just doing the transport. That's all I'm doing.
Understood. So if they're not pressing charges,
I don't even know what the charges are. So you have to talk to that officer. That he's the arresting officer, not me.
okay.
Okay?
Where do I
Good?
go and talk to bail out, or I'm new to all this. I don't understand.
I don't know the charges. So you're gonna have to ask him what she's being charged with, and depending on that, he'll give you more information.
He said trespassing.
Trespassing. So there should be a bond. We only have one jail. It's 5501 College Road. It's at 5501 College Road. Call them and not right now, but when I leave, and ask if there's a bond for trespass. If there's a bond, you can go over there, that address, and bond her out.
Okay.
Okay?
Understood.
All right.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
Your girlfriend came around and this happened. This is out of my hands.
Understood. Well, that's a city situation we put you in, and I'm sorry for that.
That's why I tried to get you as quick as I could, because I saw y'all had like something. I was like, bro, just get her out of here as best as possible.
Love you. I love you. I love you so much.
While the story may seem like just another confrontation, it highlights a bigger issue, the fine line between standing your ground and respecting authority. The officer did his job, remaining professional and patient, but sometimes, no matter how hard you try to de-escalate, the situation just can't be avoided. Whether it's frustration, alcohol, or just a bad decision, this incident serves as a reminder. When you're in a public place, there are rules, and breaking them has consequences. In this case, it cost one woman her night out in Key West, and perhaps a few more things along the way. She was under arrest for trespassing.